welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Another one other top man is deceased. Police kill him. Another has lost another one of their members. People are link me and I say them think me like exaggerate. Time I tell them, say one other. For them hear this. For them time now. See it there. One more gone to airy heaven. When I think man boy them who talk very tough. Too tough. Now you might get $1 million package. The funeral I go bossy. I gotta talk about it. Before me go into that, my Patreon birthday shout out. Radio name me talk about Kenny G. Well, today I'm son birthday. You have KG and you have KJ. It's KJ's birthday. Turned 9 years old today. Look at KJ, I hope you're listening. I know your father. I make you tune in right now. Father, I want to make you know some love you and care for you greatly. KJ, you're in good hands. Regular me your father reason. So I know say, you have a brain in him head. Cause enough people just hand and foot just a walk around, you know. Them head empty. Nothing up in the top part of them body. Just an empty shell. Right, the brain done short circuit long time. Nothing in there. Brain cell him dead off. But KJ, your father have a brain in him head. Regular me and him reason. So I wish you a happy birthday. Happy 9th birthday. Hope you live to see 99 more. That's KJ, the son of Kenny G. From the Patreon squad. Big up on yourself. Another one other member dead. Him and the police had a altercation of sorts in Eltham. Now he's in airy heaven. After Tickman dead, one other man they make all kind of speeches. I'm telling this a guy, stop it. Stop it, guy. I understand someone need to present on yourself as some kind of fearless warrior, but we know. Remember, civilians in the Iron Man might not know because them intimidated and them impressed by the look of one magic them wanna have on the fire off. But we know say unna bit like that. We know say unna manage pressure. And the pressure reach one another right now. And pressure bust pipe. Man they talk like say them gonna take the fight to the security forces after Tickman dead. Guy, everybody knows that one other is one of the larger gangs in Ireland. It's well known because of entertainment. But don't kill yourself, guy. I'm telling you that any such conflict can only have one ending, and that's one other decimated. You saw what happened to Termite? You would have stress or rent or kill. When Termite dead, you see an all-out declaration of war on the JDF and the JCF by Klansman. Look like them have more sense than one other. The dopey bat them in the one other got gassed up because, as I said in the Tickman video, people are tell them say, them good because I feel them party in a power and Babsy this and Babsy that. Babsy can't save you, guy. Babsy can't save you. Man left gun all the Eltham things, say, yeah man, me good over here so. No, you're not, guy. After him, my talk wicked. Say my talk. And them say, them want to play a badness game, you know, like them think say life is a joke. So them say games, alright, since a game, start over now. Press reset and start over. And start working in real life, guy. Enough man will make all kind of wiki talk, not even realize all them do move themselves up further on the list. Cause them did like 17 on the list. But now them go start talk like say them a Terminator, alright, bump him up to third. Might get a $2 million package. Funeral I go bossy. The one other gang for too long was allowed to stick out its chest and operate with immunity. People are say, we're going to block road because we can't take it no more. And this is just the start. You don't see nothing yet. When the bad mind blagger boy, they tell him to say, one other gonna have it rough this year. And the more on the talk crazy, and the rougher it gonna get, pound. On the start, tell me about how much rifle that toss pen. And we'll run off over this so I know man from Capital and rise the K. And now we have to say one other take another N. Get it? K L M N O P. Get it? One other is having a rough year, guy. Sucks to be them, but I mean they're tough, right? This will be balling about can't manage and this and go easy. Nah, guy, you tough. Word drop back set. One other man, them a plan to shoot up police funeral. When me hear that, me say, I hope them know them a do. One other does not have the size, manpower, or stomach to deal with a sustained conflict with the security forces. They don't. Them have gun and them a gunman and then can kill the police. Don't be surprised if you hear one police dead and one other kill him. It is very possible. Everybody know that. And then your mother and your kerosene are going to go down a unicorn for justice and run down there so and run can understand. So you see it. And the only thing we're going to see is your boss the casket and drive up and down on the road. Be a nice back of you. Right. Funeral procession long. Be a car with them 4-way flasher. Is it worth it, guy? Take your L and keep it moving. Thick man did already. Them dust out you done. See them dust out in quote unquote right hand, yeah. Right now, too, one of the man in afraid. Man who used to brag said him a thick man left hand. Right now the man said thick man was a para-Olympian. In on the hand. No man on the right hand again, no man on the left hand. Look like thick man did handless. Like he was handicapped. Never on the right hand, never on the left hand. Everybody deny thick man. All me do I watch this play out because I'm just a little bad mind blagger boy. So when time I tell them to say, yo, one other I get it. I don't think so. I'm just make video for just make video sake. Alright. Just watch what gonna happen. Don't fall for the trick. Them afraid right now. One other go easy. Go easy because unless you don't want such man funeral home. Right, if you give a $2 million package, go sit on one side. Don't make ego send it to an early grave. Them only for tough talk, you know. What you are going to do and we are going to kill back. Only a bit like that. Because if we're really serious, we just do things. But because we know say do things come with consequences, we know that gone online can poke our chest. Bravado and machismo. Give it a rest. It's over. You done dead already, them dusty mouth. The funeral I go bossy. Me and you know say the funeral I go bossy, the casket I go mad. Thick man suit I go mad. Crocodile clitoris spanning foot in a casket. Still can't bring him back. Now for one who gas up these 87s, I send them to an early grave. Wait till the man them retaliate and kill back some police boy. We now send these youths to an early grave. It's one other year. It's one other time. Right now, two things spooky, don't even go down to the shop to order nothing. One order. Under pressure right now. You might go into the shop and say, yo, alright, give me one order for 5 bags of cement. And then go here, one order. And next thing you know, things get spooky for you. I would advise against it. Order man this and order man that, order man a dopey bat. No, of course, man, we are see. Anyway, hold the boy, we are give 100 rounds, of course. I'm just a local YouTuber, man, nobody. And me not worry about how much rounds they will give me. Not threatening YouTuber, and a YouTuber killer then. We not take out the frustrations from the wrong people. One other gang being cut back down to size and put in its place would have to be studied for years to come. Just keep an eye on Spanish Town. I must say, me tell them to get spooky for one another, but don't take my word for it. I'm just a blagger boy. Just keep an eye on Spanish Town. Keep an eye on one another. No for them want to talk about what them are going to do. I promise you in real life, no for them are big in life. And I don't know why. I mean, they're tough, right? Keep your eye on Spanish Town. That's nothing more. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.